This video is only available to YouTube Music Premium members. Error on YouTube Music can disrupt your experience. But here are systematic troubleshooting steps to resolve it. Step 1. Check your account status. Verify your subscription is active on the YouTube Music Premium benefits page. Confirm recent payment success in Google Pay Center under Subscription Management. Ensure your Google account's region matches your residence by visiting myaccount.google.com, navigating to Personal Info, Basic Account Info, and updating the country region. Step 2. Troubleshoot the app. Clear the cache using the appropriate method for your device. Update YouTube Music to the latest version via the Play Store. Step 3. Check your hardware. YouTube Premium allows up to 10 registered devices, so remove unused ones from the device management page. Free up RAM by clearing background apps and checking running services in developer options to terminate unnecessary processes. For long-term solutions, Google introduced the Content Access Sync engine in March 2025, syncing devices, regions, and subscription status in real time with 256-bit encrypted signals sent every 0.2 seconds. YouTube Music also uses the real-time license brokerage module, connecting to up to 3 alternative license providers per track to bypass restrictions. A machine learning-based access pattern analyzer predicts errors by analyzing IP changes and device switches, providing preemptive warnings and guides if the risk exceeds 70%. These steps should help you fix the error and improve your YouTube Music experience.